What's up, riders? Welcome back to Bike Lab, your trusted garage for in-depth breakdowns of the world's fastest, meanest, and most advanced motorcycles. Today, we're going full throttle into the 2025 KTM 450 SXF, a machine that embodies everything KTM stands for: performance, precision, and podiums. Known for being the choice of champions like Jeffrey Herlings and Cooper Webb, this latest version brings some critical upgrades to an already dominant platform. Whether you race professionally or ride for the thrill, the 2025 SXF is built to raise your bar. Engine: compact, explosive, refined. Let's start with the core, the engine. The 2025 KTM 450 SXF continues with its proven 449.9 cubic centimeters SOHC single-cylinder layout, but KTM has made subtle yet impactful tweaks for the new model year. These include internal friction reduction upgrades, minor cylinder head optimizations, and updates to the crankshaft and piston design for improved durability and mid-range responsiveness. The result? A more linear yet aggressive power delivery, with increased traction under acceleration and a stronger top end. Riders can expect quicker throttle response and cleaner fuel burn, thanks to an upgraded fuel injection map paired with a 44mm Keihin throttle body. KTM's engineers have worked closely with their race teams to develop maps that provide controlled power in low traction conditions, while still unleashing full fury when the gate drops. And yes, this engine still weighs under 27 pounds, maintaining KTM's reputation for class-leading power-to-weight ratio. Combined with a refined exhaust header and resonator chamber, it's engineered to keep power flowing across a wider rev range without overwhelming the chassis. Chassis, revised for control and feedback. The 2025 SXF doesn't reinvent its frame but subtly evolves it. The hydroformed chromoly steel frame introduced in 2023 returns, but with updated engine mounts and tweaks to enhance longitudinal flex. These minor changes deliver major improvements in stability and rider feedback, especially under braking and during hard corner exits. You'll also notice updated frame protectors and more integrated plastic components for smoother rider movement. The subframe remains a hybrid aluminum polyamide design, lightweight, durable, and tuned to provide flex where needed without sacrificing support. This year's swing arm is slightly re-engineered to reduce weight while increasing rigidity. The rear axle slots have been extended to allow for greater chain adjustment range, giving riders more room to tune wheelbase and handling characteristics. Suspension: WP-XACT dialed in. No KTM performance story is complete without its WP-XACT suspension system, and for 2025, both ends receive significant refinements. The 48mm WP-XACT AER air fork now features a new mid-valve damping system that offers improved oil circulation and bottoming resistance. On the track, this translates to a more planted front end with better small bump compliance. At the rear, the WP-XACT shock absorber gets revised internal valving and a redesigned linkage ratio, optimizing traction under acceleration and stability on square-edge bumps. The shock remains fully adjustable, high-speed and low-speed compression, rebound, and preload can all be dialed in tool-free. Together, the fork and shock offer a more balanced ride that remains aggressive under load but plush enough to absorb big hits. Riders will appreciate the improved predictability and confidence, especially in rutted or high-speed sections. Electronics: the smartest 450 yet. Electronics continue to evolve in the SXF lineup, and KTM has taken another step forward in 2025. The standard package includes two selectable engine maps, traction control, and launch control, all activated from a left-side multifunction switch on the handlebar. One of the standout features is the updated Quickshifter Plus system, which allows for seamless, clutchless upshifts even under full throttle. KTM has refined the shifting algorithm to provide smoother engagement and prevent false neutrals, making it perfect for aggressive starts and rhythm sections. What truly sets the 2025 model apart, though, is the optional connectivity unit off-road, CUO. This module enables smartphone pairing with the KTM Connect app, letting riders adjust power delivery, throttle response, traction sensitivity, and even suspension behavior wirelessly. It brings MotoGP level tech into the motocross paddock, no laptop or tech trailer needed. Ergonomics, designed around the rider. Ergonomics have been slightly revised for 2025, particularly in the seat shape and grip areas. The flat, narrow seat provides improved freedom of movement while offering better grip thanks to a new high-friction seat cover. The shrouds and side panels have been reworked for smoother transitions when sliding forward or gripping with the knees. Handlebar positioning remains adjustable, with 4 settings available to dial in the perfect fit. The foot pegs sit higher and closer to the frame, improving ground clearance and reducing snag risk in ruts or deep berms. Every contact point feels precise and intuitive, whether you're scrubbing, cornering, or launching off triples. Component quality, race-ready out of the crate. KTM doesn't cut corners on components, and the 2025 450 SXF continues that tradition. The brakes are high-performance Brembo units, with excellent modulation and class-leading power. The aluminum CNC machine triple clamps ensure front-end stiffness and optimal fork alignment. Wheels are premium did Dirt Star units, wrapped in Dunlop Geomax MX33 tires that offer excellent grip across a wide range of terrain. And the chain, sprockets, and levers are all built with durability in mind, giving riders fewer reasons to upgrade after purchase. Air filter access remains tool-free, and service intervals are rider-friendly, another hallmark of KTM's rider-first philosophy. Verdict: a refined weapon for serious riders. The 2025 KTM 450 SXF is not a radical reinvention, it's a careful, deliberate evolution of a race bike that was already at the top of its class. By refining the engine, fine-tuning the suspension, and enhancing electronic tunability, KTM has delivered a bike that feels faster, lighter, and more intuitive than ever. If you're already on a recent KTM, these changes may feel incremental, but on the track, every second counts. For anyone looking to step into elite-level performance with factory-spec capability, this bike is as close as you'll get to what the pros ride without needing a factory contract. Closing, subscribe for more at Bike Lab. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the 2025 KTM 450 SXF, here on Bike Lab. If you found this review helpful, drop a like and hit that subscribe button. We've got more first-look reviews, expert tech breakdowns, and on-track tests coming your way. Have thoughts on KTM's 2025 updates? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, ride smart, ride fast, and keep it dialed in with Bike Lab.